Guys, this is an emergency video. There is an obvious opportunity staring us in the face, and I want you guys to be able to make some decent gains off of it. So let's get right into it and talk about the altcoin market and why everything seems to be dipping hard right now. So this is the altcoin total market cap chart. I actually tweeted about this yesterday, which is why I recommend you guys follow me on Twitter. Anyways, I said that the Rocket Indicators is detecting a big short here. All right. This is what I said. And if you guys remember our short requirements, I'm going to say them really quickly. What you need for a short is a red stochastic background. You need the red line above the green line above the 50%. Next, you need 3 red bars on the Rocket trend meter. Lastly, you need the Rocket volume confirming and piercing through the threshold line. And all of these match up. All right. And that's why we've seen this dip over $100 billion in a matter of a day. And a lot of us that have the Rocket Indicators, we were able to tether up, sell our altcoin positions so that we can buy them back lower. Some of us even, doubling our altcoin positions. And this is why I say time and time again, it saves us. Because had we not had this system, we would have been a bit emotional with it. Like, oh, I don't want to sell this altcoin. I've invested so much time and money into this one. Well, when you're seeing such an obvious signal, you have to just trust the system. A system that doesn't care about emotions, that doesn't care about, how much time you put into it. It's all about trusting the system that works time and time again. And the same thing with XRP. All right. I tweeted about it at 46 cents saying, hey, here is a giant short waiting. All right. And now I think we all know what happened with XRP. This was at 46 cents. And this was an amazing short. I couldn't have dreamt this would have been better. I thought maybe we were going to come down to 30 cents, but we came down an extra 30%. That was a nice leverage move right there. Congratulations to all the Rocket Indicators people that traded this. Salute to you because we made amazing gains there, and I couldn't be happier. Now, let's talk Bitcoin. All right, so what are we going to do with Bitcoin? Currently, nothing. There is no opportunity whether to long or short Bitcoin in the moment. Now, the beautiful thing is, though, is that there is an opportunity coming. You're not seeing a short present itself. We're not getting a red candle. We're not seeing the red stochastics. So a lot of people are prematurely short. We can't be one of those people. We have to get in on confirmation. Let's not jump in front of the train, right? Let's jump with the train with volume and, you know what I mean? Have our boarding pass and do all that stuff. Let's not commit suicide in front of the train tracks. All right. Anyways, so the charts is neutral at the moment. The short opportunity presents itself. It will come in the form of a red stochastic background, 3 red bars, volume piercing, piercing the previous structure. And that's why you see I have an orange line alert button right there. There's an orange alerts, and you can come over here and, press this alerts tab, and it'll alert you when this comes and touches it. Anyways, so when all those things happen, when all that happens, that's when I'll take my short, okay? Currently, we're not seeing that. A lot of people are expecting a $2,000 move down, which we might get, but we also might not get too. All right. The last thing you want to do is take your technical analysis to Twitter and just leave it up to whoever you're following. That is the worst strategy. I tweeted this out maybe yesterday. This was when Bitcoin hit 24,000 yesterday, and everybody was talking about they're getting in long positions. This is what I said. I said, is nobody going to mention the lack of volume on this Bitcoin move? I'm currently waiting on the sidelines. If Rocket volume doesn't confirm it, I can't enter it. And that is very true. Let's look at this. Bitcoin ran up to 24,000. People were screaming, go long, all-time high. Let's look at the volume. There was none. Why you would enter in on no volume makes no sense to me. That is, straight up how they get you, right? This all of this is a game. And if you're not paying attention and if you're not following a system, you're going to get screwed in the end. It saw 24,000, then came back to 22,500. If you were in a leverage long, that would have hurt. That definitely would have hurt. So what I'm saying to you guys is only get in on the confirmed volume. Bitcoin is going to move it. When it moves out of this consolidation range, it is going to break, multiple $1,000 moves. All right. So we can touch $25,000 from here. We can touch $20,000 from here. It's all about what, the rocket indicators are telling us to do, and that's the system we're going to follow. We're not following some random person on Twitter. We're not going to follow what we feel like doing. We're following a system, and that's how we win. So, also, really quickly, just to make your guys' lives easier, if you have TradingView and you have the rocket indicators, you can actually come over here, press this little alerts button, and it'll alert you when you can take a long or short. So let's say you are away from the screen, you have your phone, it'll notify your phone, hey, we just got a red candle printed. You might want to take a short or look at the charts. And that's how you can save time and not just always be in the charts 24/7. So guys, that is our play. We're going to wait for the rocket indicators to tell us when to take a long or short. Currently it's neutral, but in the next few hours, in the next couple of days, trust me, it'll show itself and it'll be very clear. And that is when you want to pull your trigger on that long or short, because biases in the end don't matter. I have my bias. Does it really matter to say? No, it doesn't. What only matters is what the system says. And when the system says go, you want to pull that trigger. Anyways, guys, make sure you get the rocket indicators in the description down below. Pick them up, and I will try and get them to you ASAP, especially because we are in times where you want to capture this move. So if you do pick them up, message me on Twitter, DM me, at me, anything, and I will get you them as soon as possible. All right, guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.